Okay, now see, the next topic is writing off discount or loss on issue of debentures. So first thing, we have already discussed these two things. What is discount on debentures and what is loss on issue of debentures. So as regards discount on debentures, we have learned that debentures can be issued at discount. So that's why whatever discount you are giving at the time of issue of debentures, it is a capital loss for you. Or if you are promising that we will be redeeming the debentures at premium after the fixed tenure which you have decided, then that premium on redemption which you will be giving after 5 years or 10 years, whatever the tenure is there, that is also a capital loss for the company. So because it is a capital loss, it has to be written off. Whatever the amount of revenue loss, there are two types of losses. So revenue losses are itself treated in profit and loss account, like loss by fire, loss by flood, loss by earthquake, loss by theft. So whatever the normal losses are there, revenue losses are there, these are automatically transferred to profit and loss account. But as regards capital loss, you have to write them off. So it is written off in the year it is incurred. It is, and when the discount is incurred or when the loss is incurred, when you are issuing debentures, when you are actually allotting the debentures. So the year in which you have allotted the debentures, in that particular year you will be writing off the discount on debentures or loss on issue of debentures. Now, from where you will be writing it off? So first account which you can use for writing off the discount on issue of debentures or the loss on issue of debentures, the first account is securities premium reserve account. See, securities premium reserve account is a capital profit for the company. So capital losses are written off first from the capital profits. Capital losses are first written off from the capital losses. And if you don't have any balance in capital loss, or it is not sufficient, it is not adequate to cover up to write off the whole amount of capital loss, then rest of the amount whichever you require, you can take it from general reserve or from statement of profit and loss. Suppose you don't have any balance in securities premium reserve account, so then you will be able to write it off from statement of profit and loss. Or if you are having any balance in general reserve, because general reserve is nothing, general reserve is also uh, general reserve is also created from the profits which are undistributed from the statement of profit and loss. So that's why you can write it off from the general reserve or statement of profit and loss also. It will get reduced. The balance of capital profit or revenue profit is credit. So the balance of capital profit or revenue profit is credit. That's why if you want to write it off any loss from the capital profit or revenue profit, then it will be debited. So that's why these accounts have been debited. And because discount on debentures or loss. So this way the general entry will be there. Now see the question. This question we have solved earlier also in the topic consideration other than cash. A company purchased assets of the book value of 9,90,000 from another company. So assets have been purchased for the book value of 9,90,000. So the entry has been done, sundry assets account debit to vendor 9,90,000. It was agreed that the purchase consideration be paid by issuing 11% debentures. Now you are paying for the assets you have purchased, not through bank, you are paying through issue of debentures. Assume that the debentures have been issued at a discount of 10%. Now, these debentures which you are issuing to them against the purchase consideration, for the purchase consideration, that will be issued at discount. So first entry we have done. Now second entry is vendor account debit 9,90,000 because you will be paying the same amount. Then because you are issuing debentures at discount amount will be there, and debentures account will be there because we are issuing debentures. Now we have to decide about the number of debentures. How I will be deciding what is the issue price of the debentures? What is the issue price of the debentures? We are issuing debentures at discount. Face value is 100. I am asking the issue price. Yes, very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Very good. So, because the face value is 100 and discount is 10%. So 100 minus 10, issue price will be 90. Now the number of debentures will be how much? 9,90,000 divided by 90, it will come 11,000 debentures. Yes, very good. Very good. It will come 11,000 debentures. If I multiply this 11,000 by 100 means face value. So I will get 11 lakh amount in debentures. Debentures account will always be credited with the face value, whether you are issuing debentures at par, at premium, at discount. That I have shown in previous topic also. And if I will multiply it by discount amount, then I will get the discount, that is 1,10,000. So I hope these calculations are clear. Because we have done this earlier also, that's why I have not invested that much time to this topic. Now see this discount we have given, and rule says that in the year in which you have allotted the debentures, in that particular year you have to write it off. It is compulsory to write it off. Now first source of writing it off it, securities premium reserve account. Has the question given any balance in securities premium reserve account? No. So because I don't have any securities premium reserve, so I am not able to write it off from the securities premium reserve. Then in such case, when I am not having any securities premium reserve, I will be writing it off directly from the statement of profit and loss. So the entry I will be giving here, statement of profit and loss debit. And the discount is 1,10,000, so I will be debiting it 1,10,000 to discount on debentures account. that will also be 1,10,000. In this manner, we will be writing this discount on debenture directly. Okay. Now, now we will discuss next question. Now this is a question from the topic issue of debentures considering the terms of redemption. So now see, we have issued 2,000 debentures, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at par. Now we are issuing at par. So obviously I will be getting face value of the debenture. Bank account debit, and because 2,000 debentures are there of rupees 100 each, so I will be receiving 2 lakh to 12% debenture application and allotment account. The amount will be 2 lakh. Now, because I am promising the redemption at premium, so I will be having a loss and a liability also. So the next entry will be 12% debenture application and allotment account debit 2 lakh loss on issue of debentures account debit that I will look later, and because I am issuing at par, so to 12% debentures account okay. Now 12% debentures account again will be having only face value. So 2 lakh I will be writing here, and then I will be having a liability also to premium on redemption, because actually I will be paying this amount of premium after the expiry of the tenure of the debentures. Now, how much premium I am paying? 12% debentures of 100 each at par, but redeemable at a premium. Suppose I will assume some amount of at a premium of rupees 4 per debenture, or you can say at a premium of 4%. This way you also can speak. Percentage will always be calculated for the face value, whether it is of interest, it is of discount, or it is of premium. Anything. Now 4% premium is there, so 4 rupees per debenture will be discount. So 2000 debentures are there. So the total amount of discount will be 8000. Sorry, loss on issue debenture will be 8000, and premium redemption will be also 8000. Now this loss has to be written off. This loss has to be written off. Now again, I don't have any balance in premium reserve account, so that's why I will be writing it from statement of profit and loss debit 8000 to loss on issue of debentures account. Now I have written it from the statement of profit and loss. Now I am giving you a question. Suppose I am having 4000 balance. No, sorry, not 4000. Suppose I am having a balance of rupees 3000 in securities premium reserve account. Suppose I am having a balance of rupees 3000 in securities premium reserve account. Then how I will be writing off the loss on issue of debentures? You will send me that entry on WhatsApp. Please send me that entry on WhatsApp. I hope question is clear. If any doubt in the question, then let me know that also.